The PowerBrush XL is a powerful tool when cleaning swimming pools and leisure centres. We have a variety of attachments, but one significant point is that the PowerBrush is waterproof from the head all the way up to this point on the handle. That gives extra safety when using it in swimming pools, including cleaning around the scum line at the top of the water. The large brush is used for general scrubbing tasks on the flooring areas and sides of the pools, also on the walls of the changing areas. We also have a smaller brush. This is also a tough brush for cleaning in the edges and corners. We have the maroon pad. It comes with a pad holder, maroon pad, which is excellent for cleaning off the dirt that has been encased in limescale deposits. And we also have the other scrubbing pads, in particular the blue pad, which is tough enough to remove all the dirt encased in your changing areas and areas where there is less limescale deposit, where you would normally need the maroon pad, which gives you the extra scrub to remove the limescale.